Firefighting has come a long way. Let's take a quick look at its history. Firefighting dates back to ancient Rome. They used bucket brigades and simple tools to fight fires. By the 1700s, fire engines were introduced. These hand-pumped machines were a game-changer. Fast forward to today and we have high-tech fire trucks equipped with ladders, hoses and even foam systems to fight all kinds of fires. Firefighters now use cutting-edge technology like thermal imaging cameras to see through smoke and locate people trapped inside. From buckets to trucks, the mission has always been the same: protect lives and property from devastating fires. Want more incredible firefighting facts? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more.